Hello children, let us start 10th class, second chapter. First chapter we have finished, second chapter sets I am doing. So before going to do that, the proverb here is strike while iron is hot. You know the goldsmith, you might have seen goldsmith working with iron. When he wanted to bring a shape to the iron, what he will do? He will first heat it. When it becomes very red hot, then he strikes upon it to bring the shape. So, if it gets cooled, he cannot do. If the iron become cool after heating, if somehow he might have taken some time to do it, he cannot get the shape that he requires. Same thing is with us children. We'll get a chance in our life when you are doing the things, and we will get some favorable conditions. We can call it as chance also. Some favorable conditions for the work to do. You have to grasp that condition. You should identify, yes, this is the right time for me to do the thing. And at that right time, if you do the things, perfection will be yours. As the students, as the 10th class students, what you are supposed to learn from this proverb? Yeah, time is very important for you. So every day is giving you a chance to learn. Daily work, daily if you keep learning, you need not burn the midnight lamps and you will be having very good percentage in your exams. So chance is very important children, opportunity is important, identifying it is very important, and without getting laziness, you have to do your job then and there when the chance is permitting you, then success will be yours. Let us come back to the sets. This is Telangana State Syllabus, 10th class portion, second chapter, sets. And this second chapter, it is starting with the page 28. So what are these sets children? Before going to the sets, let us talk about a collection. What is meant by collection? Collection means what children? A group of things put together. When you keep the group of things put together, you call it as collection. A group of things put together, we get collection. Now, one thing children, in this collection, there may not be any relation between the things that you have kept. So that means things may not relate to each other. For example, suppose if I take, means upon a table, if I keep a pen, a box, a nail, and then a cap. Suppose these all are the things. There is no relation between them. These all are certain things. These things are there on the table or at any place, in a bag, anywhere. Those we call it as a collection. Collection is just keeping some things in one place, that's all. But when you talk about set, what is the set? Set is a well-defined collection. A well-defined collection is called set, and then each thing is called an element. We will call each one. See, like this we will write whatever you write, that is considered as an element. And all things, all elements are related to each other. They are related to each other. One relates the other. There will be a certain relation. Then each set is represented by a capital letter. Any set is represented by a capital letter. And the elements of the set, are placed within flower bracket. So this is the introduction I can give you children about the sets. I can take as an example. Let me talk about set A, 1, 2, 3, 4, so on. I can consider it as a set because I have represented it with a capital letter, and the elements, these are all called elements. These elements are kept under the flower brackets, and there is a relation between the things, that numbers that I have written. These are all natural numbers. So a relation will be there. They are kept in the bracket. They are represented by a capital letter. These are called as, this type of representations are called as sets. So write down this, children, the difference between a collection and a set. Now, we'll go to the next part. The next part here is, you have got to do these sums in page 29. In page 29. What are they? Identify and write the common property to make the groups of the following collections. So, common property you have to identify. What is the common property? So, what is the first bit? 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. What type of numbers, children, these are all? These are even numbers. The common property is they are even numbers. And second one, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, so on, they are given. What are they? These are prime numbers. The common property is these all are prime numbers. And the third one is 1, 4, 9, 16, so on. What type of 1, children? 1 means 1 square, 1, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, 4 square, 16. So we call them as, these are perfect squares. These all are perfect squares. Then let us see what is the fourth one. The fourth one, you have January, February, March, so on, April, so on. So what are they? These are months of an year. These all are months of an year. Next, you have got thumb, then index finger and middle finger. Then you have got ring finger, middle finger, ring finger, and then little finger. As I am reading, you might be understanding. What are they, children? These are fingers of the hand. So these are the relations which you are getting with the elements. So you see, children, when these are all have got certain relation, we can keep them in flower bracket and we can denote it with some capital letter. Then they become sets. In case if this relation is not persisting, then you cannot consider it as a set. We will call it as only a collection. But in this case, each and every problem has got the relation. So we can even write them in the sets. But when you are representing it in the sets, you have to write a capital letters is equal to, and within the flower bracket you are supposed to write. This problem is given to you only to have a thorough knowledge about how to identify whether the given ones are sets or not. So how to see the relation. These sums are giving you that knowledge. Now let us see the next part. The next part here, you have got another do this, children, in page 30. You have got another do this in page 30. Write the following sets. This is the question. Write the following sets. First one. What is this? Set of 5 positive integers. They are asking 5 positive integers. So positive they are setting. So you give one name to it. Let us call it as A is equal to positive integers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. They are asking 5. So this itself is the answer. Next one. Set of multiples of 5. More than 100, less than 150. Multiples of 5. More than 100 and less than 125. So here we will call this set as B. B is equal to multiples of 5. 100 more than 100 means we will get 105, 110, 115, 120. We have to stop it here because less than 125 now. So we will be stopping it here. Next, third one. Set of 5 cubic numbers. 5 cubic numbers. So let us call this 5 cubic numbers. First 5 cubic numbers. First 5 cubic numbers means first numbers 1 cube, 2 cube, 3 cube, 4 cube, 5 cube. Okay, that means how much, children, it is? 1, 8, 27, 64, 125. These are the cubes. 1 cube 1, 2 cube 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 3 3 are 9, 9 3 are 27, 4 4 are 16, 16 4 are 64, 5 5 are 25, 25 5 are 125. So these are the answers for this problem, children. Now fourth, set of digits of Ramanujam number. Ramanujam number. Actually, what is the Ramanujam number, children? That Ramanujam number is taken as 1729. 1729 is considered as Ramanujam number. The speciality of this is it can be written as sum of cubes. Sum of 2 cubes. in different ways you can write. So this number is called Ramanujan number. So when you are writing it in the form of set, you write them in an order 7, 9. This is the set of Ramanujan number. So write down this, children. Now what is the next part of your topic? Let me see. The next part is about, again you have another do this, children, in 31 page. Another do this you have got in page 31. These are all problems. I am doing it to give a clear explanation about this chapter, children. So some of the numbers are given below. Decide which number sets they belong to and do not belong to. Express them in correct symbols. Means you have got 10 numbers given here. For each number, that number belongs to what type of sets? Number systems you have taken, children, you know natural numbers, whole numbers, integers, rational numbers and irrational numbers. So the given one is it belongs to that. Let us see. The first one is 1. The first bit is 1. 1 belongs to what number, children? It is belong to natural number, it is belong to whole number, it is belong to integer, it is belong to rational number. Okay, so it does not belongs to, you cannot write anything, it belongs to all these number systems. Next, 0. 0 belongs to whole number, integer, rational number, but 0 does not belong to natural number, because he is asking you to write both. To which system it is belonging, to which system it is not belonging. -4. -4 belongs to integers and a rational number, and -4 does not belongs to natural number and whole number. Now, fourth bit, 5/6. 5/6 belongs to rational number, and 5/6 does not belongs to natural number, whole number and integer. Next, the next one is √2. √2 belongs to irrational number. That means √2 does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. Now you have got fifth one is 1.3. Okay, I'll write it as sixth one. 1.3 bar. 1.3 bar can be written as P by Q form. So it belongs to rational number. But 1.3 bar does not belongs to natural number, whole number and integer. This please note it down, children. This is actually sixth problem. This is fifth problem. By mistake I have written it like this. You can understand. Next, log 2. Log 2 definitely belongs to irrational number. Log 2 does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. Next, eighth one. Eighth one is pi. Pi also, it is an example of irrational number. So pi does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. Next, I have got seventh one is log 2 and the eighth one. Okay, again here I have done a mistake. I will do it again. Eighth one is 0.03. It belongs to rational number. 0.03 does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers. Next, pi. Pi belongs to irrational number. Pi does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers, rational number. Next, 10. 10 is root of minus 4. Root of minus 4, it is an infinity number, children. Anyway, root is actually irrational number. So in case if you can write, you can write it as an irrational number, but actually you cannot determine anything. So root 4 minus 4 should be an infinity. It should belong to infinity. In case, because in the problem he asked number system, you may consider it as a irrational because of the root, not because of minus 4. Actually minus 4 means it is infinity. So root of minus 4 does not belongs to natural number, whole number, integers and rational number. So these are the problems in do this, children. Write down. Now, we'll go to the next part. The next part, and this is, you have roster form and set builder form. Roster form and set builder form. So first, let us understand what are this. What is a roster form? Roster form, it represents elements in a flower bracket. Means what are the elements are there. Suppose A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8, so on. This is called roster form, where you are understanding, you have given the numbers here. So since the numbers values are given, we call it as roster form. Now, set builder form. What is set builder form? It represents the relation among the elements of a set. How will you write this? See, suppose the above one is there. You have to represent. How you will represent x such that x belongs to natural number and x is what? Even. X is even number. When you write like this, x this is given to you. What is the way in which you have to write the numbers? What is the relation between the values, between the elements you have to follow? So if you understand this, we are taking one element. X in the sense what, children? X in the sense an element, because we cannot say what is the element. Only after taking the examples or after taking the proper values, you can say this is this element, this element. Here, we are writing in general. It is like a formula you are developing, or formula that is given to you, and with that you are writing sets. In case if they give sets and ask you to write set builder form, you are developing a formula here. So in each case, unknown element is considered as x normally. So x is such that, this is called such that x belongs to natural number. Which type of x we are talking about? We are talking about natural numbers of x. X is there in natural numbers. That means immediately by seeing this, you will have an idea. Oh, natural numbers means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, so on. These are all natural numbers. But are those natural numbers given to you? In the natural numbers also you have got a relation. What is that? These are all even numbers. So you will write x is equal to even number. So it gives you a perfect definition, so that when you are given only this and asked you to write set builder form, roster form, directly, oh, x is such that x belongs to natural number. That means I should take natural numbers, 1, 2, 3, 4. And what else is given? X is even number, means in that natural numbers also I should take even numbers. Then very coolly you can write the answer. So this is the difference between roster form and set builder form, children. Very, very important, because in the examination sometimes they are giving roster form and ask you to write set builder form, or sometimes they will give set builder form and ask you to write roster form. So please have a very clear idea about it. Mostly I have found the students doing mistake in this. So please understand properly. Now, let us talk about a table given in your textbook, children. The set builder form and roster form, they have given a table. Roster form, set builder form, they have given a table. What is this table? First one, V is equal to A, E, I, O, U. This is the roster form. What is set builder form? They have given V is equal to X such that X is a vowel in English alphabet. So you see, children, if you read this, okay, I should take the elements. What type of elements? Vowels in English alphabet. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. So you can write this. Now, second one, you have got -2, -1. That is A is equal to -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. So what is given here? Here A is equal to X such that, what else they have given? -2 less than equal to X less than equal to 2, and X belongs to Z. This is what is given to you. What is the meaning of this, children? What does this mean? You understand this. The elements given here is -2, -1, 0, 1, 2. Since you have got negative values, definitely the element is integers 1. So X is such that you can even write here X belongs to integer, but in the textbook it is given like this, so I am writing like this. Okay. Now, what are the values that you are supposed to take? You have to take -2. So you have to start it with -2. That means -2 is less than or equal to. This symbol is equal to. That means the value should start with -2. And it should continue up to how much? Up to 2. So equality means these two numbers are included. If equality is not there, that number will not be included. So this is about the second one. And third one, 1. That is, the set is B is equal to 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. These are the values of B. So what is B, children? What is given here? B is equal to X such that X belongs to 1 by N, because these are all reciprocals. 1 means 1 by 1 you will write. These are all rational numbers. So 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5 you are taking. 1 by N. And where N is belonging to natural numbers and N value is less than equal to 5. What are you understanding here? You have to write the elements taken in 1 by N form. That means rational form, and in that rational numbers, the numbers should belongs to natural numbers, and they should be up to 5. That is 1 by 1, 1 by 2, 1 by 3, 1 by 4, 1 by 5. That only you have written here. So I hope you have followed, children. And fourth one, 2. This is C is equal to 2, 5, 10, 7. What are these? 2, 5, 10, 7. See the relation given. C is equal to x such that x is equal to n square plus 1. How is it n square plus 1, children? 1 square plus 1, 2. 2 square plus 1, 4 plus 1, 5. 3 square plus 1, 9 plus 1, 10. Then here it should be 17. 4 square plus 1, 16 plus 1, 17. So the relation is x is equal to n square plus 1, where n belongs to natural number and n value is less than or equal to 4. So you can see, children, here this set builder form is giving a clear explanation about how to write the elements. So this you should have a thorough knowledge about this, children, because this part is very, very, very important part. Set builder and roster form in sets. I hope you have followed, children. Next we will go to the we will be going to the next topic, that is page 32. Do this. Okay, I'll rub you in this. Do this. Page 32. First one. List the elements. You have to write the elements of the given sets. What is the first one? G is equal to all the factors of 20. G is equal to all the factors of 20. So what are factors of 20? Factors of 20, 1 into 20, 2 into 10, 4 into 5. So what are the factors of 20? You will write G is equal to, therefore G is equal to 1, 2, 4, 5, 10, 20. This is the answer. So by observing the set builder form, we are able to write the roster form. Now second one is multiples of 4. F is equal to multiples of 4 between 17 and 61, divisible by, which are divisible by 7, which are divisible by 7. So first you have to write multiples of 4. Multiples of 4 between 17 and 60, between 17 and 61. What are they, children? 4 multiples. 4 4s are 16. Then next one, 4 5s are 20 will come here. 24, 28, 32, 36. Then 40, then 44, 48, 52, 56, 60. That's all, no, children. These are the values you have got in this one, in this set. But in this, what they are asking, multiples of this which are divisible by 7. So in 7 table, what all will go, children? 7 4s are 28, 7 5s are 35, 7 6s are 42, 7 7s are 49, 7 8s are 56. So only 56. These are the elements. See, children, whatever they have given, the problem is multiples of 4 between 17 and 61. So first I wrote multiples of 4. Okay, between 17 and 61. But in this, what is the other class they have given? Which are divisible by 7. Out of all these, what numbers I can divide by 7? I can divide it by, I can divide only 28 and 56 by 7. So these are the answers, children. You copy. Now, let us see the third bit. What is the third bit? X such that x is a s is equal to x such that x is a letter in madam, M-A-D-A-M. This is the one they have given. Now you have to find out its roster form means, children. Here same letters you have to write, but you have to write only once. M is repeated 2 times, you have written 1. A is repeated 2 times, you have written 1 time. D is 1. So this itself is the answer for it. And the next one, x such that x is a whole number. This is which set? P. P is equal to x such that x is a whole number. X is a whole number between 3.5 and 6.7. So, whole numbers between 3.5 means after 3.5, what is the whole number you will be getting? 4. Then you will be getting 5. Then you will be getting 6 because it is 6.7. So these are the answers. 4, 5, 6 are the answers for this problem, children. So I hope you have followed. Copy it. Now we will go to the second problem. What is the second problem? Second problem is write the following in roster form. The first bit. B is equal to set of all months. So set of all months. All months in a year having 30 days. So what are the months you are having, children, in 30 days? You have got April 30 days, and then May you don't have, June you have, August you don't have, September and October you don't have, November. So these are the months in the year. In all, January, February, March and all. 30 days months are only these 4. February, you know about it. Leap year. You may get 28 or 29 days. Next, we are going to do the second one. P is set of all prime numbers. Set of P is set of all prime numbers. Set of all prime numbers smaller than 10. Smaller than 10. What is this? P is equal to prime numbers starts with 2, 3, 5, 7. Next one is 11. It's more than that. So this itself is the answer. 2, 5, 2, 3, 5, 7. Next. X is the set of colors of the rainbow. Colors of the rainbow. That means X is equal to, what are the colors of rainbow, children? Violet, VIBGR, violet, indigo, blue, green, yellow, orange, red. Y means you have got violet. and I means indigo, and B means blue, G means green, Y means yellow, O means orange, R means red. These are the 7 colors of rainbow. Usually we call them as VIBGR. So this is the second problem, children. Write down this. Now, the next one. Third bit. You have got it here. A is the set of 12. Represent the following. Which one of the following number is set of A? A is the set of factors of 12. Factors of 12. So 12 factors, children. 1 into 12, 2 into 6, 3 into 4. So set A will be having elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. So first bit here is 1. 1 belongs to A. And B. B bit is 4. 4 also belongs to A. Then C. C bit 5. 5 does not belong to A. And D 12. 12 belongs to A. So with this these sums are completed, children. Once you copy this. Next, you have to talk about another do this is there. Write set of your choice having algebraic and geometric ideas. Algebraic and geometric ideas. What are, let us take A, algebraic ideas. What are algebraic ideas? You can take the elements of a number A square or A plus B whole square, A plus B whole cube. You can write like this. These are algebraic ideas. That is a formula of algebra I have taken. And geometric ideas, you can write as a geometric idea, triangle, and a trapezium, and then rhombus, etc. You can take this as the geometric ideas. Now, what is the second one? Match the following set builder form. See the children. The first one, match the following. The first one is PRINCAL. PRINCAL. And the second bit is O, 0. And the third bit is 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. And fourth bit is 3, minus 3. And here you have got the first one A, x such that x is a positive integer and divisible of 18. X such that x is positive integer divisible of 18. What is B they have given? Okay. I'll write A below, children, here. So here A, x such that x belongs to positive integer divisible of 18. What is B? B is x such that x is an integer and x such that x is an integer, and what else they have given? And x square minus 9 is equal to 0. Now see bit. X such that x is an integer and x plus 1 is equal to 1, and d bit. X such that x is a letter of the word principal. So which one belongs to what, children? The first one belongs to D now. These two are related. And 0. 0 is, what is this? X such that x is an integer. This is a this one, what is the C bit? X such that x plus 1 is 1. X plus 1 is 1. So if you take element 0, 0 plus 1 is 1 now. So you can relate these two. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Then these are all divisible of 18. You can divide all these by 18? No, you cannot. So what you can take? 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 10. Which one you can take? Integer x square minus 9 is equal to 0. X square minus 9 is equal to, you have left it with these two. X is a positive integer and x is a divisor. Divisible, it's not divisible, children. Divisor of 18. Divisor of 18. So here 9 and 18, this is not 10, 9 and 18. So 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18. So definitely these are divisors of 18, no? 1 18s are, 2 9s are, 3 6s are, 6 3s are, 9 2s are, 18 1s are. So this will come to this. And x square minus 9, the last one is this, because when you write x square minus 9 is equal to 0, x square is equal to 9, x is equal to root 9, that means plus or minus 3 you will be getting. So you can take B value here. Okay, children? I hope you have followed this. With this, I will complete today's topic. I will be doing the next one in the next class.